Traders, yesterday's Forex signals sent to this channel down here, Trade Ideas. Seriously, if you're looking to pass a prop challenge or grow your account and you're looking for high quality Forex signals, I highly recommend you watch this video. This could literally change your life. So we'll have a look at these recent signals. After we quickly go through them, see the results. This is going to be a full tutorial on how to trade these. What I'll do is just scroll down, we'll just quickly show you the results, and then we'll get into how to trade these. This is the instructions. Wait for the pullback, set a bullish momentum sync alert for a buy opportunity. There's the alert right there. Take the trade. Just open it up and have a look at it. Wait for the pullback, and as soon as that alert fires, take the trade. After we run through and have a quick look at these, you'll see exactly where the entry, stop loss, and take profit on every one of these is. Scroll down, Aussie Swiss, set a bullish momentum sync alert, wait for the buy opportunity. That's it. It's as easy as paint by numbers. It can't get any easier than that. That was the alert, and we closed this one at break even. It didn't trade, or it didn't trend. Fair enough. Okay, similar instructions, but here's the outcome. 1.6R TP. Now, I mentioned this, but you could trail this with your stop loss. So, if this is where you are at the moment, you could just pull your stop loss up and use these green dots to trail it so that it's risk-free, and you could take partial profits if you want. Pound dollar. Okay, the next one, pound yen. Similar instruction, just wait for that pullback and the green alert, take the trade. I mean, look at that. You've got your exits, both exit alerts here, 1.5R or 2R, depending on how you wanted to work with it. And also you can, take partial profits and you trail it up with your stop loss. This is through the London and into the New York Open. Set a bullish momentum sync alert, wait for the buy. This is perfect if you're trading a prop firm account. You just follow these signals exactly as the strategy is set out. You've got your entry there, you've got your stop loss level right there, and you've got your TP or exit alerts. That's it. It's as simple as that. And I'll show you how to set the alerts shortly. If you're trading a prop firm account, it just doesn't get any easier than this, guys. Aussie yen, okay. Aussie dollar, same thing. This one was a 2R gain as your exit there. All right, so what we're going to do now is have a look at exactly how you do this. We'll just take this Aussie dollar for an example. All right, the instruction you can see up here. Okay, it's traded into a bearish order block on the daily time frame. Expect a retrace, set a bullish momentum sync alert for a buy opportunity into the New York session. That's the New York Open. Okay, full tutorial. Let's go. Let's have a look at the Aussie dollar then. Okay, if you want to know how to do this from this point onwards, okay, we're going to cover exactly what's involved. So the instruction is simple. Wait for a pullback, take the next green signal, open the trade right there. The stop loss, you follow this green, see the green shaded zone and these green dots? So you take that. So the green shaded zone under the entry point was right there. So that's your stop loss. Set a 3R target by default if you like, just run it up there. And then the next thing is you're going to set an alert to exit or take profit. All right, so next step, let's just assume that you don't know what's coming. We're back here somewhere. Over on the left, you don't know what's in front of you, and you've just received the trade idea in Discord. Come straight in here. I'll just open the alerts up. Come over here to this indicator here, momentum sync. This is going to be your go-to for an entry. 3 dots, add alert. So this is the first step. You're looking for bullish alert once per bar. The sound, I go with the flickering sound because I've got another indicator giving me the droplet. So I go the flickering sound here under the soft for my entry. It's really specific. Notify in app, so I get it on my phone. I set my phone up to flash lights and make a lot of noise. That's all there is to it. Create the alert. Oh, actually, go back to settings. Go once per bar down in here and make sure, bullish. All right, create it. If we go to the alerts, Aussie dollar alerts right there. When you enter the trade, you've set up your stop loss. Now you're in the trade, it's live. You need to exit. So you're going to come into the trend channel. This is after you've entered the trade. Once it goes off, just come in, set your stop loss up follow either don't take those dots. That's way too tight, right? But go with this green shaded zone here. Just use a bit of common sense with it. The exit, you go to the trend channel. It used to be the extreme confluence, but now that's been integrated into the trend channel. 3 dots, add alert, and it's going to be, if you mouse over this, you'll see TP exit bullish trade up there on just above. This one's TP exit bearish trade, TP exit bullish trade, and on the left you can see possible bearish reversal. Right, so that's your exit, TP exit bullish trade, once per bar, and the notifications I set to horse. They're distinct sound, they're very different. Once per bar, create. You're in the trade and just wait for the alert. When it fires, you can set it up on your phone. You can just close the trade on your phone. You can open and close the trade on the phone with the TradingView app. That's it, guys. And you're just using 1, 2, 3 indicators. That's how to follow our signals that are posted in here. Every one of these is exactly the same. Have a look at the pound dollar. I want to show you something in a different video. We'll go further with this. But you've also got the ability to set up your own signals. Okay, there you go. This is the Forex pairs velocity logic down here, bottom indicator. So you can be completely independent. There's a buy, and these guys gave you that. I do daily tutorials on all of this in VIP. So let's just quickly scroll up. These are really, really important videos. Look, and we recap yesterday's trades and we go through the strategy. These are members only videos. The video I'm making now, I'm going to make it public so you get to see what goes on in here. I mean, this is, you'll either see this opportunity or you won't. So let me just show you something. If you go to the website, there's a 14-day free trial. This is heavily discounted at the moment. Since we were developing the strategy and the indicators, okay, new indicator launch, it's ridiculously priced at $29.95 per month after the 14 days. You can lock that in right now with this 14-day trial. You don't get billed immediately because tomorrow is the deadline for this price increase. So, as I said, you'll either see this opportunity or you won't. Lock it in now and change your life. Seriously. With that, have a great day and I'll see you in the next one.